Here we have a 69 plate Mercedes-Benz GLC 300D 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which in excellent condition and unmarked, with the gold brake calipers just behind. We also have the LED headlights, we have the metallic white exterior paintwork, Panamerica front grille with the black Mercedes badge in the centre, and there's a look at that front end. Coming round to the passenger side now, you'll find the second alloy wheel, again in excellent condition, just down there. We also have the side steps running along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the glass sunroof that's currently on a tilt. It can also slide all the way open. There's a look as well at the third alloy wheel. And then coming round to the rear, you find front and rear parking sensors with 360-degree cameras. We also have the rear diffuser and a power-operated tailgate. If you press the button here on the remote, you'll find the boot will open just like so. Now inside of here, you can see we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. We do have the parcel shelf at the top. We have the storage net on the left-hand side, along with 12-volt connectivity and hooks on either side. Coming back out, we also have a handle just up here, along with a button. Press the button and the boot will close again like so. Coming back round to the driver's side, you find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And if you take a look now at the interior, inside of the back you can see the full black leather seats with the grey stitching. We do have the foldable armrest in the centre and fixed ISO points as well. AMG floor mats. We have the vents as well in the centre for the rear passengers. On the doors you find the wooden effect trim. We also have the Burmester sound system, electric windows as well. Now again at the front you'll also find the same leather seats. Both the front seats are electrically adjustable with the memory functions, and they're also heated. Again, Burmester sound system, electric mirrors, electric windows with child lock for the rear. We then have the automatic lights down here, the multifunctional steering wheel as well. There's a look at the roof from the inside. Now let's take a seat inside. You'll also find the digital dashboard in front of us. If we put our foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will turn on. Let's turn the volume down. We do have paddle shifters on either side of the steering wheel, cruise control and speedometer on the right. Now you can see we are free from any warning lights as well on the dashboard. We can change the display. So as you can see, we have the digital speedometer, we have the trip computer, navigation, radio, all these other features. We can also change the design. So if you go to classic, they can see it changes just like so. We then have the main infotainment screen in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav, but also again has plenty of features you would have seen on the photos. But if we go through some of them, we do have the buttons down here. Click onto radio, you find the radio stations, media options, Bluetooth phone connectivity as well. On the main menu, we can scroll through all the other features quickly. So if we go on to the ambient lighting just here, you'll find we have plenty of colours just here that you can go through. We also have the media options. We then have the apps just here with the smartphone for the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving further down, we have the vents. We also have the dual zone climate control and the ice-cold air conditioning. We have the ambient lighting inside of the vents just there. If any of these lights or screens are flickering, it's just the camera, not flickering in real life. Wooden effect trim in the centre as well. Inside of here we have the cup holders, wireless phone charging and Type-C USB ports. Touchpad for the screen along with the drive mode selector, so you can flick through all the different drive modes quickly, just like so. If you put the car into reverse, you'll also find the reversing camera with the 360 view on the right. If you put it back into drive, it changes to the front facing camera, but we can also go through all the individual cameras and you can see they all work as you'd expect them to. So if you put it back into park though, and then that is all that I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website or get in contact. This vehicle comes with free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.